Water is the source of life. With the social development and decreasing of water resources, the supply and demand contradiction of water is becoming more and more obvious. In recent years, the frequently occurring breaks of water pipelines and drinking water accidents has brought great influence and harm to the people's life and production. In order to build high-efficient and safe supply and sewerage water pipeline systems, it should be the first consideration to select a good quality pipe material. But what is an ideal water pipe material? In 1940s, the researchers from Europe and America found out adding magnesium into the liquid iron can change the performance of the ordinary cast iron, which overcome the brittleness of gray cast iron and increase substantially the ductability of cast iron. The technology was quickly used to the production of cast iron pipes, so the centrifugally cast ductile iron pipes began to replace cement pipes, gray cast iron pipes, and steel pipes, etc., which brought an innovation of water pipelines. There are mainly the following several advantages on ductile iron pipes. Safe and reliable. Ductile iron pipe material has the equal mechanical properties include tensile strength and resistance to pressure, which are the same with steel pipe, and the corrosion resistance is better than steel pipe material. That is, ductile iron pipe has the quality of iron and performance of steel. Therefore, during transportation, installation, and operation, the damage rate is very low. The pipeline can resist the foundation settlement and earthquake. The investigation to both the 9.0 magnitude quake, which happened in Japan in 2011, and the 8.0 magnitude quake happened in Wenchuan, China in 2008, all indicate that the lowest damage rate of pipeline is on ductile iron pipe. Easy installation. The design of flexible socket and spigot joint type sealing with rubber gasket makes installation easy, and workers can master the installation technology well only after simple training. The flexible joint allows a 1.5 degree to 5 degree radial deflection and a certain distance of axial expansion. For example, during installation, when meeting curves, the pipe can be laid following the curvature of streets and roads. And ductile iron pipes can be detective, which provides safeguards for a long time safe operation of pipelines. Ductile iron pipes can be made for jacking method, which can be used to install a pipeline below ground without trench excavation, so that to avoid to hold up traffic and affect the people's daily life. Good corrosion resistance and long lifespan. Ductile iron material possesses good electrochemical corrosion resistance performance, and because of the pipe jointing system using rubber gaskets isolation, long-distance conductor cannot form on the whole pipeline, so that the use of cathodic protection systems for ductile iron pipeline is not recommended. The standard external corrosion protection is zinc layer plus a finishing protective layer, which is suitable for most of soil conditions. And according to the requirement of soil corrosion conditions, the external surface of ductile iron pipes can be protected by applying polyurethane, ZnAlRe alloy, and epoxy coating, and so on. For internal corrosion protection, generally, the internal surface of pipes is protected with a centrifugally applied cement mortar lining. For special protection, the cement mortar lining can be seal-coated with epoxy, or apply other coatings like polyurethane, epoxy, and polythene. The lifespan of ductile iron spun pipes is 2 to 3 times of steel pipes. A ductile iron pipeline of DN2600, laid by the 9th water plant of Beijing Water Supply Authority in the 1980s, was dug out after using for 20 years and found that the corrosion protection layer is still complete and without any traces of corrosion. Adaptable and cost-effective. Generally, the joint types of ductile iron pipe include T-type, K-type, TF self-anchored type, high-pressure self-anchored type, and jacking type. Compared with other pipe materials, ductile iron pipe material possesses excellent adaptability and low jointing cost, so that the comprehensive cost of pipeline is low and very cost-effective. At present, in most cities of the European and American developed countries, more than 90% of water pipeline are ductile iron pipes. And in most cities and towns in China, almost all the main pipe material of water supply pipelines are ductile iron pipes. With the progress of the society and the improvement of the productivity level, the high efficient and safe water supply and sewerage pipelines must be like forceful pulse, convey the source of life water to the various places of mankind living.